Hello, and today we're going to be taking a look at a Win Cleaner. Now, this here claims that it is going to clean up all the junk files from your computer. Now, I picked this up at my dollar store. Now, usually this would retail for $20. Don't ever buy it for $20. Never buy this for $20. Uh, yeah, definitely don't buy this for $20. I mean, that'd be the biggest waste of money you would have probably ever spent if you went ahead and bought this thing for $20. Also, let me know how the audio sounds, because I got a new microphone for Christmas and a new computer, amongst other things. And of course, there'll be plenty of videos this week to make up for the lack of a video last week. Also got some nice new LEDs, but anyway, let's just take a look at the Win Cleaner. Alright, so I actually already recorded this, but the video is absolutely awful. So, I decided not to use it. But anyway, I'm going to just record this new clip that should actually sound good. So, like I said, I have this in a Windows 7 virtual machine because I don't trust it on my real computer. I just hope the audio sounds alright on this, because whatever reason Lenovo put the microphones right by event. Good design. Anyway, I'm sure you can hear me. Hopefully I'm talking reasonably loud. So, this is the software. Actually, first I want to plug the thing in, because I want to show you what you get when you plug it in. So there's the software. It didn't actually open. Good. Okay. Let me just plug this in. Oh cool, it automatically went into the virtual machine, just what I wanted. So as you can see, this is what you get. It shows up as a CD drive, and in that CD drive, you get the application setup, the icon, and an auto run file, which if you, apparently in Windows XP, it just starts at icon. It's just simple little thing, very simple. Very, very simple. And then you got the setup app and the Win Cleaner. And the whole thing is 4.7 megabytes. So that's all that's on the actual thing. So, of course, it says application not found when you double click. It probably puts someone off. You actually gotta hit open. But anyway, you open up the application setup, and I'll show you what it looks like. First of all, this is called Win Cleaner One Click Professional. So keep the word in professional in mind when you see this setup. The publisher is Business Logic Corporation. And there's the thing. It's got this nice blurry picture there. It's got auto update. It's up to date. And that's what you get. It tells you, and it'll also ask you to put the code in. I've probably got some clips of that I can stick in here. Alright. Let's try this thing out. But anyway, here it is, Win Cleaner One Click. So you click Win Cleaner One Click, and it just starts doing stuff. It doesn't tell you what it's doing. If you click down here on Advanced Options, let's stop it, and click on Advanced Options. Basically, you got all sorts of this stuff. Remove, clean, all privacy items. What are the privacy items? Windows. Okay. So you click Start, and it starts scanning for things. Uh, it looks a lot like a Relevate antivirus, really it does. I mean, like, look at this, okay? There you go. There's something like this. Activate ultimate protection. It really does kind of look like one. But anyway, that's that. I don't know why my voice is going. That's better. And yeah, that's really it. And then you can say, oh, it's found 4.74 megabytes. Let's remove those items, destroy them without creating a backup. And there we go. And also, notice that whenever I close the program and just go one click again, it finds stuff. Okay, that makes me think it's fake. So let me check something again, alright? So let's go to computer. Okay, we have 51.5 gigabytes free, alright? And let's open up properties. Okay, free space. There we go. Let's try this again and see if it makes any difference. So I'm just going to take a snip of this, so we've got it. Alright, so let's just... oh man, I didn't remove items. Delete them. Yes. So, all client items have been cleaned. So, did it change? Let's see. 350. It did go up. So apparently if you keep running this, it'll clear megabyte by megabyte from the storage space. So it does actually clear some stuff. I guess that's good. No, I don't want to save you. Go away. Let me just, now that we've taken a look at the software and there's the advanced options, if we hit close and we go to more, then it says win junk, win red, win net, win. Win cleaner products. What other products do they have? Now for Windows 10, 8.1, new. It says Windows 8 up there. What products do you have? The webpage doesn't work. Your webpage doesn't work. They sell these at Micro Center and good places like that, really? Their website's gone mad. That's all I got. Alright, I want to get out of this because their website's about insane. And that's all I've got for the computer side of things. I hope the audio is good. Now there is one more thing I want to do with the Win Cleaner, and that is show you what's inside. Now I opened this up already, and I want to show you how easy it is to open. So you flip out the USB, and then you pull that off, and there you go. That's how easy it is to open that thing. That was how easy it was to open it whenever I first got it out. So let me put some more light on it. Let me turn down the shutters. Let me turn up the ISO a little bit so you can see a bit better. There's a look at the circuit board. I'll take some high resolution pictures and crop in on certain places. 24 megapixel pictures I'll take. Crop in on certain parts, and you can see things like the number on that chip. I'll look it up. I'll look up the number on that chip later and see if I can find anything on it. Here's what's on the back, in case you're wondering. Also, what on earth is going on there by the USB port? And then it does actually go back together in one piece. It'll only go back together one way, so you can just pop it back together. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to take some high resolution pictures first. Okay, so here's that close-up picture. So now the first thing that I'm going to do is zoom in on the chip. So as you can see, it's a BX140809 GQ25Q648-12G made in Taiwan. Surprise being on Taiwan. Next I'm going to do is zoom on that stuff by the, I have no clue what that is, but it doesn't do great, whatever it is. So yeah, I think that pretty much wraps up the video. I couldn't find anything whatsoever on that chip. I have no idea what it is. I looked on some forums about it. Apparently some sort of a ROM chip, they believe. It's not a normal flash chip. We can come to the conclusion of that. Especially considering if it was a normal flash chip, it probably would have came up. Just in case you wondered what I used a datasheet, alldatasheet.com, as well as Google to try and find it. So, yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.